My name is Nature Man, and today we're going to be going exploring the wilderness. Look over there. Look how beautiful the world is. We gotta go outside and live a little sometime, you know what I'm saying? I'm a Nature Man for one reason. You know why they call me Nature Man? Feel the sticks, man. You feel the sticks, man! You don't feel the sticks, you're not a man, man. If you wanna be man, if you wanna be nature, man, you gotta take the hair off your chest. And eat it. But if you want to survive, you do as I do. Pop that like that. There you go. Okay, didn't taste too good. A little bit of seasoning. You try a little bit, cameraman. Try a little bit, man. Try a little bit of the. Where you walk? It's good. Okay, you take the camera back. Oh, there's my refrigerator. Okay, come over here. As you can see, that is my refrigerator. It's very, no, don't zoom in, man. Don't zoom in. That is a very safe spot. I put all the drinks under the concrete.
Is it real?
Yeah, and we put ice under there. Some ice. Soda. Like my nature dance?
Yep.
Nature is around us. You gotta be careful about your surroundings, boy. Shoe tie, it don't matter when you're in nature. Hey, don't look at your own shoes. Look at my shoes.
Your shoe is
My hand dirty now. Look at my hand. Look at this. I lick. Tastes good, right? You taste the nature. It's like tasting rainbow, but better, man. Slap that on your butt, you have a good crack the next day. But do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
Go! Go, come on!
What do you think I'm gonna do with this stick? I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna throw it at you. Because you can be baptized by Jesus and that water over there.
You will never die.
Alligator. I just tested you. There's actually no alligator there. Completely safe. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about it. Oh my God, what was that?
It's just a bird.
Bird?
Just a bird.
That's not how you react. I was doing it as a test to show you not to do that. Swan. Guy says, hey, how you doing? I go, no! It's not what you say. I slap him until he dies. Are you illegal?
No.